Ralph Lysell's Rally is a unique piece of Norwegian automotive history, designed and built by the visionary industrial designer Ralph Lysell in the early 1950s. Lysell, born in Stockholm in 1907, had an extensive career in industrial design and automotive engineering, working in both the United States and Europe before settling in Norway in 1949. His move to Norway was likely influenced by his interest in new materials, particularly Norwegian aluminum, and possibly by his Norwegian wife. After World War II, Norway imposed strict import restrictions on automobiles, creating an opportunity for local car production. Recognizing this, Lysell set out to build a Norwegian sports car. He established his own brand, Rally, likely derived from his own name, Ralph Lysell. The project began at Norsk Flyindustri, an aircraft manufacturer that was diversifying into the automotive sector due to declining aircraft production. The Rally prototype was a sleek, aerodynamic two-seater sports car constructed from 3mm aluminum plates. It measured 5.3 meters in length, 1.96 meters in width, and weighed approximately 1,300 kilograms. Under the hood, it featured a modified Ford V8 engine with twin carburetors, generating around 160 horsepower. Theoretically, the car could reach speeds of 200 kilometers per hour. Initial designs included a bubble-top canopy, but due to financial constraints, this feature was never implemented. The Rally first appeared in the Norwegian newspaper Aftenposten on January 17, 1951. Later that year, NRK documented its development on film, showing the car powered by a Mercury flathead V8. Despite Lysell's ambitions to produce 15 units and expand into taxis and trucks, financial difficulties stalled the project. The Rally remained a one-off prototype. In 1954, the car received its first registration plate, VDN 478, indicating its status as a self-built vehicle. It changed hands several times, undergoing modifications along the way. Roger Glans, an owner in the 1960s, added a rear screen from a 1950 Studebaker as a windshield and repainted the car in a two-tone scheme reminiscent of early Corvettes. However, due to poor handling, it was eventually abandoned. By the 1980s, the Rally had become a forgotten relic, mistakenly believed to be an early Chevrolet Corvette. It resurfaced in Trugstad, eventually being purchased by Paul Heine Torp in 2007. Recognizing its historical significance, Torp sold it to Norwegian car collector Eirik Bola in 2008. Bola meticulously restored the car, referencing original 1951 photographs. Since no evidence of the bubble top existed, he modeled it after the 1954 Pontiac Bonneville concept car. The restoration was completed in 2012. Today, the Rally is preserved in Bola's collection on the island of Nisøya. It stands as a testament to Ralph Lysell's ingenuity and Norway's brief but fascinating foray into sports car manufacturing. Though it never entered full production, the Rally remains an iconic piece of Norwegian automotive history.